All right, everybody, I'd like to just welcome you to our meeting that we just quickly put together. And we want to really introduce you to something super exciting that we've created. And we've got the founder, the CEO on the call with us to meet you guys and your team. And we understand all different programs have different things that they've offered in the past. And it's my job just to guide you and show you through this quick presentation what we have available to everybody and why we are different to anything you might have seen. I'd like to, for now, welcome Yusuf. He's quickly come on board last minute, just like everybody else, to meet you guys. And
hello, everyone.
All right, Yusuf, thank you for joining us last minute. I know you're running around, and it's summertime there where you are in Turkey. So I think what generally what we want to do is, obviously we've tried other projects in the past and we've learned from those things, and yet we're here now and we've got the super program that we've created. We've been on a few calls. We've gone now to what, so 2.5, almost 3 months now that we've been running live. We've accomplished a lot of goals, which I will run through on the presentation, so that I will handle, you know, with where we're listed now and all the rest. But just in a nutshell, Yusuf, if you can introduce yourself just briefly, what you've created and what our future plans and goals are. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Firstly, my name is Yusuf Kenanjan. Happy to meet you here. I'm a crypto entrepreneur since 2014. And I have also a marketing agency, which is giving service to different companies in the past. And especially the last 5 years, I'm consulting different crypto and blockchain projects. And I'm also handling their marketing strategies, things like this. And with this experiment and experience, and after a lot of seeing different projects, and also after seeing how smart contract applicable in our daily life, especially to network marketing or affiliate marketing, however you call it, which enables people to make money with referral links or building some community. We came with a big solution, which I have seen in the market, which is creating community for new projects as well as existing projects, because all of these projects are looking for and like paying a lot of money and creating a lot of budgets for marketing and creating community and reaching right people. I am a simple witness of this because I have seen how much money they spent on Facebook or Instagram, YouTube, or influencers to reach right people in the market. So what I wanted to do is like creating a big community and creating new market as well as a current market, helping them understand new trends, as well as we hand select projects to help them understand also how to invest in early phases, or even if you are not in the early phases, how you can benefit from this. So we created a platform called NFTNetwork, where we basically 100% transparent. We think of every single detail even before. So we combined network marketing or affiliate marketing with smart contract. This platform based in this Binance Smart Chain, and everything working very automatically and decentralized way. Once we program it, as you know, like this is working, and it's also audited by solid proof, so everybody is happy. Yeah. So we started like almost like, if we want to say like listed on CoinMarketCap or something like this, we started, but we are right now accelerating all around the world, and this is the right time to join us. And like we have unique features, unique opportunities, as well as global pool. We will explain with the details, and when you understand, I'm sure absolutely you'll love it, because this company gives you an opportunity to be part of the 17% of the turnover of the company, like income shareholder of the company, just doing some simple things, simple tasks. I mean, you are eligible to earn profit from company's turnover forever, and it is insured by smart contract. This is the most exciting part, I think, while we are creating this one. And also we will have a lot of collaborations in the future. This is just the beginning. We have done our first collaborations, and in that collaboration, people are earning like 300% profit, something like this. But it was a limited supply. So of course, this kind of profits cannot be available for all of the people. It can be only limited supply, like a promotion from companies that we collaborated with. And there will be a lot of different things like this. And whenever a new product or new service came, you will have another opportunity to make additional income. Because if you create and build a team or community with our system, then you will be rewarded accordingly. If your community contributes, then you will be again a commission. You will get a commission. So this is like for us like an acceleration for the project which is customer for us, and it's also good for our community because they have access to like a special deal where is not very available in the market. If you want to get this deal, like you should have a superpower with like a big like millions of dollars of capital, or like super marketing power. Like you should say something special. This is why we are creating this. We want to create like a million community that consists of million people. Okay, this is our ultimate goal. This is our absolute goal. And we already reached our first milestone, 1,000 people. And then we are going to reach our second and a third, which is 10,000 members, and then 100,000 members. And then we will reach 1 million members. And these members are educated, and they know what is this, like they are learning, as well as they are teaching other people what is DeFi, what is cryptocurrencies, what is really the meaning of this project, why you are valuable in the market as a community member, because everybody is actually looking for this. Maybe you have seen in the coin market cap or something, there is thousands of new tokens starting every day. What they are doing, they are trying to reach right people. They try to reach right markets. Okay, but do you think all of them has success to reach right people? No, they are spending thousands, millions of dollars, but they cannot really reach right people because there is a lot of competition in the market. If you are really good, and if you have really good capital to make sure that you're gonna sustain yourself for a long time and you're gonna prove yourself in the market, then you can succeed. This is the rule of the market. I have seen this with my digital agency. I helped many people, many companies. Some of them survived, some of them couldn't because they couldn't have big capital to sustain in the market. Okay, so where we're bringing here is into the table is like where it's going to be very valuable thanks to our community and our community builder. So I invite you to be our community builder. Okay, and let's benefit from this market together. Let's create new markets, and let's all connect all the other markets into our system, and yeah, we will benefit all together.
So Yusuf, thank you for that explanation. I mean, guys, generally in a nutshell, it's really, we're building a strong community, and I'll show you now what we have inside to offer immediately from a passive side in a commission earnings. And let me now quickly run through the presentation with you guys, and then after that we'll answer a few questions if you have any. So let me just quickly share my screen. Give me a second. Get this up and running. Get the presentation going. Yeah, view full screen. All right. All right, guys. So it's a very short presentation because it's such a simple business, such a simple program, and we have basically called our program NFT Network, and that's really what it is. We're in the NFT space. As you know, the NFT environment is growing, and it's becoming mass. It's going to be a mass adoption. Technology in the world's changing. Imagine if you can buy a ticket in the future with an NFT, or you go buy your sports soccer game with an NFT. You won't have a ticket. You're going to sell that ticket to somebody else. If it was a special game, you could sell it on. So anyway, we are in the NFT space. That is a very big, wide area of opportunities. And this is where we decided to put ourselves in. And so I just want to say welcome to NFT Network. One important thing that we have done here, obviously, that you must just remember, we are listed on an exchange. Our coins are listed on an exchange. currently on an exchange called CoinTiger. In order for us to get onto the exchange, one first important rule is that we had to have an audit done on our contract. And based on the strength of that audit and the company that does it, it's a company based in Germany called Solid Proof. They verified our audit, they've checked our contracts out, and they've given their stamp of approval. Based on that, we went to CoinTiger. We listed not so long ago on the exchange. So you'll find that our tokens are there, and I'll show you what the trading volumes are on those tokens. So welcome to NFT-Network. We are a decentralized networking program. It's decentralized network marketing. We're the first decentralized network referral smart contract platform combined with NFT farming. All right, you're going to see those farms just now. And then there's going to be other opportunities. Like I said, we had other miners in other collaborations. And then obviously play to earn opportunities in the future are also going to come. Obviously, that'll come as the community builds and grows. More opportunities will come because there's going to be strength in numbers. Other companies will want to come and share the opportunities with us. And as Yusuf mentioned, they're going to come in with special opportunities for us. We do all data is stored on the blockchain and processed by a smart contract. I'm going to explain that we actually have two smart contracts here. We've got the NFT farming. We deliver NFT farming and play to earn to get daily rewards. NFT-Network opens endless possibilities and connects players daily from all over the world. So that's really, we decentralized on the exchange. So I mentioned, I'm going to take a little step here, slower step on this explanation. So part of our marketing plan that people must just understand, there's two steps here. All right. So number one, when you come in, you first got to join our network and become a member. That's where we got our smart contract called the network plan, the BNB plan. All right. That's the one smart contract is the BNB plan. You only come in with, I'll show you now, 0.2 BNB to join. You become a member. There's a networking arm there that you get immediate earnings. You claim immediately. And then we got our smart contract network plan, the NFTN plan. So once you're a member, the doors open up to us. All these opportunities in the future are going to open up to us. You're going to be able to share and earn in the BNB plan contract and on the NFT plan, which I'll explain in detail now. So remember, guys, this is also for the networkers, vigorous rewards, immediate claims, and for passive guys. Those people that say, listen, I'm tired of sharing. I don't want to build a team. I want to just come in and I want to enjoy what this program offers. That's built for everybody, and that's what's unique about it. And that is fact. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, we go to the marketing plan. And then, okay, so on the BNB plan, remember I said you got two plans. We're just going to talk about the BNB plan now. When a person comes in with 0.2 BNB and they register, we advise that they obviously have a little bit more on the Binance Smart Chain of 0.2 BNB because you always got to have gas fees to make our wallets work. On level one, when they deposit their BNB, on level one, you earn 40%. On level two, you earn 10% referral, and level three, 5%. So how unique is that? That's at 3 levels earning, BNB done. Now imagine if you only invite 3 people, you would have more BNB back just from your joining fee immediately in your wallet. You can claim that, goes to your wallet, in your MetaMask or Trust wallet, and boom. So, and if you invite 12 or 13 people, you'll get 1 BNB commission, which you can hold until the price turns or do whatever you want with it. That is up to you to do what you want with your BNB. And then we got of that 0.2 BNB, we got a world rank pool. This is where we mentioned that you actually take ownership of the contract. So any people that build, there's a portion, 17% of that goes into a world rank global pool. Then we have 1% to team, 2% for reserves, anything that changes or required in the future. There's 2% of that goes into there. And then 25% goes to development and marketing, which obviously in turn is to grow our community and expand and add value-added products as we go along. So that's exactly what happens. Technically, from the 0.2 BNB, most of it comes back to the network and its members. So follow the money there. 25% goes into marketing. That's it, done. You've joined, you're a member. Now you're a member, you can claim that commission anytime, real-time claim on the blockchain. No third party required. You don't have to verify an email and hopefully somebody sends you the money or your withdrawal back in 24 hours. Yeah, it's instant immediately. You claim your BNB on that plan, direct claim to your wallet. Like I said, our preferred wallets are MetaMask and Trust Wallet. That's really what we use. So, and we're on the Binance Smart Chain. All right, guys. Once you join, you can claim your BNB. It'll show you the reward. A claim button pops up and you claim your BNB straight away. All right, then on the second plan, the NFT network plan, again, we have these beautiful farms, NFTs that you buy. These are not just stagnant pictures that you're going to sell and make a profit. These NFTs actually produce our NFTN tokens. All right, and those are listed on CoinTiger Exchange, which I'll run through now. So once somebody comes in and you buy these farms, because that's the passive side, you will get these farms. And when somebody buys a farm on level, there's another 3-tier level earning. On level 1, you get 8% of NFTN tokens in your wallet. You claim it. Level 2, 3%. Level 3, 2%. Again, 17% of all NFT deposits and purchases of farms go into a network global pool for the people that are building and growing. And that is all these global pools are paid out once a week. And there's certain criteria that you have to meet. And then again, 20% goes into our network, our marketing side. And then this awesome little 50% here, the pool rewards, is for any member that owns a farm. I'll explain to you that. That's a 5% matching 10 levels down. I'll go through that in detail. So that is the network plan. You've got the BNB plan and the NFT network plan. Again, I'm going to explain this now. We're going to move on to, remember I told you there's 17% of the BNB goes into a global pool, and then there's 17% of the NFTN goes into a global pool. These are split into 5 different pools. So all that money, all those tokens and BNB goes into different pools. They're different contract addresses where they were stored, and those go into these claims. So what happens is you've got 5 pools: rare, super rare, epic, legend, and super legend. So what happens is we'll split it into the first plan is the BNB plan. When you have 100 people in your network, it doesn't mean you have to have them immediate first line. You can go 10 levels down. You'll have 100 people in your network. You would be able to claim a portion of one of the pools, 9% of the first pool. Every Sunday, you can go and claim your BNB. The back office comes up Sunday mornings, you claim your BNB. A few hours later, it shuts down and life continues normally. All right, you've got a super, and then as you progress, you've got 500 people, you get a bigger portion, a different pool and a bigger portion of that. It's 9 + 4, all the way down to super legend, and you'll see these numbers 10 levels down. These are the requirements. Then on the NFT side, NFTN side, there's just one thing. Let's just say you become a rare rank and now you're claiming your BNB. What you have to do is you must personally have purchased 100,000 NFT and token farms. You don't have to buy it one time. You can have a whole lot of 5,000 farms, 25,000 farms. As you're growing and you're getting some commissions, you can either use your NFT and tokens, number one, to add to your mining, to buy more farms, or you can cash them out on our CoinTiger Exchange. But at some point, if you're reaching ranks and you're a builder, you want to make sure that you get up to 100,000 NFTs, and then you get a 9% of the global pool in the NFT tokens. There's a whole lot of us that have already reached those ranks. Me personally, I've managed to hit super rare this week, and I'm looking forward to the claim on Sunday because now I'm in a bigger pool, and that's the passive earnings. And that's somewhere, guys, where people are saying, but I'm a builder, what can I do to earn more? All you got to do is network it, and the company has identified that there are people that are builders that put the efforts in. This is what they do for a living. Some people do it full time, but what happens is when you get to those pools, that is basically your claim and reward to say thank you from the network for putting the effort in and building a community. All right, because it takes some energy to get there, but believe you me, in our first 2.5 months, even less, a whole lot of us hit rare rank already. And it's not that difficult when you start working out the numbers. But so that's a prerequisite, and you'll see that these pools get bigger and there's more requirements. Obviously, a bit of energy and some commitment from yourself would then benefit you. And believe you me, it's well worth it. And as I mentioned, we listed on CoinTiger. We're on the Binance Smart Chain. and we've done our audit on solid proof. You can see us on BSE scan. And another thing that has happened since we launched part of the roadmap is about 3 weeks ago, we managed to list on CoinGecko. We managed to list on CoinMarketCap. So that was awesome. These are the things to show you we're growing, and there's serious commitment from the founders and the creators here, because we are building our futures with the biggest community. And I've just shown you that most of the funds that come in come back to us community. And then I'm going to go back and talk about our farms. And then I'm going to quickly run through my back office to show you how that actually looks and where we go with that. So guys, on this, yeah, we get, when you join as a member, you'll come and find these NFTs. There's five different farms available. You got a 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. And those are in dollar values are different ones. Our token is $1.50 cents on the exchange. So let's just give you an example. This first farm is $75. And these farms here at the bottom, you'll see I've got different percentages here. I've got 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1%, 1.5%. Basically, what happens is these farms, when you buy an NFT, they're issued on the blockchain. And it's based on the algorithm that will issue you a farm that either gives you 0.7 or gives you 0.8 or 0.9. The higher ones are very rare farms. There's not many of them out there. So if you get a higher percentage paid farm, you hang on to that because it's got more value than a farm that's producing 0.7. So those do exist. A few people, I know of one person that bought a very big farm and he managed to get a 1% a day farm, which is quite unique. And another thing is these NFTs are transferable in the future if you choose to. All right, so that's the passive side. And then basically, as I mentioned, when your network comes in and they start buying farms, you'll find that you would be able to have every time they mine and they claim, you get a 5% matching bonus, which means levels 1 to 5. All you have to do is have one farm yourself, and then you can claim anybody in your network 5 levels down. When they claim their farming, you get your bonus 5% every time they claim. And then when you have your own farms and you reach a rare rank, your levels open from level 6 to 10, an additional 5%, 10 levels down. And that's how that 50% comes in. It keeps on building into the pools, and then it comes to you as well. So that on its own, if you come in and you just got your basic farm and you start sharing, every time somebody in your community starts claiming their tokens, you get an additional matching bonus of 5%, which means you're earning on the BNB as a referral. Once off referral, you're earning on the tokens, the farms that they purchase, and then you're constantly earning on the 5% matching bonus as you go along, which is super cool. And then you can either take those tokens and increase your farms, or you can withdraw them on an exchange called with CoinTiger. The farms, you can farm anytime. It's a direct claim again. When you claim your tokens, you'd import the token to your wallets. You would claim that immediately like the BNB side did. No third party required. We're on MetaMask and Trust Wallet. This is an example of what the farms look like in your back office. This farm shows you that once it's bought, this one specifically indicates a 0.8 farm. This one indicates a 0.7 farm. And that's it really, guys. It's as simple. You join, and then the doors open to you, and collaborations and future projects are always available. Your network stays intact with you all the way. If there's another project that they like, maybe they want like a play to earn token that's coming in, more farming or play to earn games. If your network decides to take part of that, you're going to have another 3-level tier earning program. It'll all be relevant to whichever programs come in and what they offer. But that's the aim. So you join, you're going to earn your tokens, you're going to mine them. We're going to be using our tokens. Like I said, we listed on CoinTiger, and we audited by Solid Proof. So that's already thumbs up. CoinMarketCap done, and CoinGecko is done. So guys, the rest is up to us. So I just want to say thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing or taking your time out to come listen to my presentation. And I'd like to stop there. And guys, it's as simple as that. We're using our Binance Smart Chain on the networks. You need some BNB to get going. If you want to go buy your NFT tokens, you would deposit NFTN tokens into the CoinTiger exchange, because our pairing is, as you can see on my background here, is NFTN USDT. and vice versa to exchange it on the exchange. I don't know if there's any questions at this point. Then I can also run through the back office for you just to show you what that looks like, if you guys will like that. Any questions at this point, or should I just continue to the back office?
Thank you, Mr. Well, Mr. Wisdom, please, any question, because he's my crypto master.
All right.
I don't
Okay,
think
so
he's it.
no,
Mr.
it's fine.
Wisdom, are you?
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just carry on quickly.
Yes, I'm here. Hello.
Mhm.
Hello.
We can hear you.
Okay, thank you very much for the presentation. Well explained. I think this is a very great program and a good opportunity for people, for everybody out there. But my question is, the activation fee, the registration fee, is it 0.02 BNB? If I'm correct.
Yeah. Yes, it's 0.2 BNB,
Hello.
but we always advise people to have a little bit more than 0.2, obviously for gas fees in the wallets. You know how that works.
Oh, okay. Is it on any exchange right now?
Is it on?
On any desk exchange?
Sorry, I missed the question. Sorry, I misunderstood your question.
Okay, I mean the NFT, is it on any DEX exchange right now?
Any desk?
Where are we
No.
going to get it? Yeah, is it on any market now?
So you'll basically find us on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and our exchange.
Okay.
I just want to quickly show you our exchange quickly while we're talking. So what happens is, guys, when you come in and you register, we'll come back to some more questions after this quickly. So when you come back and you register, so you would join with your 0.2B, you got to put it inside the browser of the wallet, okay? You can't just go to the link and link. You got to put it inside the browser, inside MetaMask or Trust Wallet in your browser. Make sure you got the Binance Smart Chain BSC tokens available. Drop it in that browser. Before they click register, they must connect their wallets, and then they must just make sure that your wallet, your referral link is in the referral block. Even if they check the first digits before they register, just to make sure it is your link and nothing's gone funny wrong with it. You know how these things work sometimes. Anyway, they register, and then you come to this home page and you're in. The BNB will go up, your upline will get his commission, and then you're in. So then you'll see at the back here, we've got the smart contract NFT address here. You'd also copy this address, okay? And then you'll go to your MetaMask wallet or Trust Wallet, and you just import the token as well. All right, guys, so you'll say, as an example here, you'll go down, we just go to assets. You'll come in here, you import the token, you drop the token there, and then you import it, right? So then you'll have your BNB and your NFTN tokens in your wallet. And then this is how cool this is. We've got a shortcut to our CoinTiger exchange, which is a totally independent exchange. And then what it does is it takes you to the pairing of our tokens. So our tokens aren't floating. We didn't distribute, by the way. We didn't throw our tokens into the market. We actually got, our mines are going to mint 80 billion tokens available. And our farms, by the way, do not stop. The NFT tokens do not stop farming. So yeah, this is where our tokens are currently exchanged on CoinTiger Exchange. You'll see it brings a pair here, NFT and USDT. If you just look at this here, this is quite interesting. In the last 24 hours, we've got 34 million USDT trading volume. It's 2.2 billion tokens traded. And you'll find that we've got a constant price happening here because of the way it's done. It's not in the open market where people are buying and dumping tokens. We've managed to, the founders have managed to create something that's keeping this price consistent. We've got a market maker that keeps on doing its thing. And you'll find that we, on average, between 0.014, it's an average of 0.15 cents, 1.5 cents of a dollar is what we're currently doing. What you would do here is when you want to, now you've joined the business, you come here and you register. I just register with my email. I don't do the authenticator and the SMS. I just do the email verification because I use CoinTiger just to put USDT in, trade it for NFTN. I buy it here on the exchange, like normal exchange, you buy it. I then withdraw the NFTs to my wallet, and then I come back into my back office on the homepage, and then you'll see here we've got these beautiful farms. There's 5 of them. farm 1, farm 2, farm 3, farm 4, and farm 5. So the first farm is 500,000 NFTNs. So if you look at the price, it's easy to work it out. Times it by 1.5 cents, $75. The next farm is $375, which is a 25,000 NFTN farm. Then it's a 1,500 NFT farm, then a $7,500 dollar farm, and so on. So, but there's no race in how quick you're going to buy the farms. It's obviously up to each person to do their own thing. And you know what's also amazing here? Guys can join with their BNB. They can start referring, and they can start earning the NFT tokens. And when they've got enough, they can actually go buy their farm. They're just going to become a member first. So that's how unique that is. So again, CoinTiger, you exchange your tokens. And then when you claim here and it goes to your wallet, you can actually deposit NFT and tokens in CoinTiger, and you can trade it back to USDT. And then you can do what you want with it as well. All right. And then just to show you the profile, this is obviously private for us. My profile shows you my downline, 514 since I started. Oopsie, sorry, I don't know what happened there. These are claims here. So this is the amount of tokens we can mint. That's our allocation. There's a roadmap here. You'll find the links to CoinTiger. There's a tutorial of videos of a few members that just left some recordings. And then basically what happens is this is the ranked global pool that you can see here. There's 1.86 million tokens. And every time, remember there's 5 pools, you can claim that. There's a BNB pool, it's got 14 BNB in here. Obviously that's a bit smaller, but this is quite huge. And then basically this is my wallet balance, indicates my NFT tokens in my wallet. That indicates my BNB in my wallet. That's my downline. And as you can see, I've managed to reach super rare rank. You're the first guys to know this, even in my team. I reached it 2 days ago. So that's a big thing for me. But I've also got some strong leaders. And I mean, that's as simple as it is. If you can get 1 or 2 people that take charge and they run with it, you are going to be flying. But it's about building a strong community, and we want numbers and proper people that love this space. And then these are my farms. The first farm I got was farm number 12, then farm 15. And you'll see they're all different. This is a farm 01, which is a 5,000 farm. Here's a 100,000 NFT farm. You see 7 hours ago that produced 216 tokens. This farm, the 25,000 farm, 6 days ago, it produced 1020. And all I got to do is claim, and I will show you how to claim, and it's easy. So if you look at my total value here, it's 27,000 NFTs in my wallet. I'm going to go claim this farm here quickly. Okay. What it does is I need BNB in my wallet to transact, make sure there's enough BNB again for gas fees. I'm going to confirm this transaction. It's going to take this 1,000 off here. All right. It's busy doing its thing. Remember, I got 27,000 NFT tokens here. It's busy claiming now. That'll go into my wallet. I'm actually going to be collecting enough now to go to the bigger farm. And that's what I'm going to do. So there, it just went up. That again is in my wallet. I can go to CoinTiger, or I can go and buy another farm of 20,000 here quickly. I can choose a farm number 2. I can buy that, but I'm going to just add more. I want to go buy another bigger farm later today. I'm buying it. I'm just waiting for some other currencies to just come up a bit before I cash out. So that's an example there, guys. And then you'll see there's no limit on how many farms you can have. Some people have strategies where they use their claims and they keep on buying more farms, so you increase your value. And remember, what are we doing with our NFT and tokens? We are going to be using our tokens for future projects. Although you're mining and people are claiming them, at some point you're going to need to collect them to take part in another opportunity. And what does that do? We're adding utility to our token. And as we're going along, these tokens are going to be listed on more exchanges and grow. So we are early days, guys. You are all here very early time. Like I said, we've only been 2.5, almost 3 months myself, and we've got a long way to go. But that's it in a nutshell, really. It's as simple as that. And yeah, I'd like to see you guys on board, and we've got weekly calls. I'm here to assist everybody in the teams, and I will make sure we're available to assist you as we go along. Anybody other questions? Yusuf, you want to say anything? Last words there? Sorry, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. There is no more question, but I think we are going to have this recorded version.
Yeah,
when you're
that's
done.
fine. And then, I mean, there's a lot of other things that we can share and future calls we can have for more questions as they arise. All right, guys, so I'm going to end this recording quickly. And I just want to say thank you for joining us today. And we're looking forward to this journey with